When something is blooming, it means it's alive. It means it's doing well. But it also means that someone intentionally planted a seed. Someone intentionally began this process of birth and life and growth. I love the word blooming, the concept of being a bloomer, because as a bloomer, what you really do for people is cause them to personally grow and to bloom. As a leadership coach, I cause organizations and individuals to personally develop. You see, blooming is just an indicator that we're doing well, that we are living. Today, I challenge you to ask yourself this question. Are you growing? Are you thriving? Are you excelling? Are you reaching your potential? Are you blooming?